Okay, today I'm going to show you a simple way to get a Forex factory app on your phone. When you go to the Android App Store and you search for Forex factory app, you're not going to get the original Forex factory app. You can see you're not going to get it. So the only way to get it is to go to your Google Chrome and just go to your Google Chrome on your phone. You can use any other browser you want. Then you type in forexfactory.com. So it opens up, and then you go to the top right corner. You see this one, it just pop up. My app just pop it up. I can click on install, but if yours do not pop up, you go to the top right corner, the three dots, and then you can see and the options that has come. You can see add to home screen. So you just click on it, add to home screen. This pop-up will come and then click on install. You can close this to go check if it's on. So it's installing. You wait for it to install. It has come. You can see that it has come. FF. You click on it. And now it has opened. So now you can customize it to how you want. I trade only Euro USD and GBP USD. So this is how I want it. Default view. I do it weekly. So and the news I want all to come. You can check it. If you want only the red folder news, you can do that. Then you click on apply, and then it comes. Go to this week. Click on apply settings, and then you can see this the whole week. But I want to change the time to the New York time frame because everything is New York. So I'm changing it to the New York time frame. So I'm checking it. This one, US Eastern time frame, and I go to 24 hours, save settings. So now this is for me. It's mine. You can see my time is 9:45. So this is it. Now it's my customized. Anytime I open it, it comes my way, and it is in a form of app. It's not in a browser. I just click on it and it comes the way I want it. You see, you can see here. Okay, so thank you. See you in another video. You can like it and share it and subscribe for more videos.